Today, we're unboxing my favorite smartphone, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, a device that doesn't just fold, it unfolds possibilities. Prices start from £1,799, dollars or euro. As we lift the lid, the first thing that hits you is the sleek, premium design. Samsung's gone ultra-thin this year, just 4.2mm when unfolded, and it weighs a surprisingly light 215 grams. Box contains only USB-C cable for charging, SIM ejection pin, and some papers. It's the thinnest and most advanced in AI tools fold yet. Here it is, the Fold 7 in all its glory. The 8-inch Dynamic AMOLED main display offers a crisp 2184 by 1968 resolution with a buttersmooth 120Hz refresh rate. And yes, the 6.5-inch cover screen is just as stunning. With Smart Switch you can easily transfer your favorites phone settings, apps, photos, music, and videos. Flip it over and you'll find a powerhouse triple camera setup, a 200 megapixels main sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixels telephoto with 3x optical zoom. It even shoots 8K video at 30 frames per second, cinematic quality in your pocket. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. The 4,400 mAh battery supports 25 watts wired and 15 watts wireless charging, keeping you powered all day, and you can watch video actually up to 24 hours. Available in black, silver, mint and blue colors. Connectivity, you name it, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, UWB, NFC, and dual SIM support. It's built for the future. Dimensions: unfolded 158.4 by 143.2 by 4.2mm, folded 158.4 by 72.8 by 8.9mm. Samsung Fold 7 not support anymore S Pen. Powered by One UI 8 plus Android 16 operating system. Samsung's promising 7 years of updates, long-term software support, which is rare in the foldable world. My favorites features is erasing objects, AI-generated objects, selfie gestures, Google Gemini, (200MP) camera. Very useful design. Perfect for gaming. Instant slow motion video. For better damage protection, Fold 7 uses Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2, Armor Flex Hinge and Advanced Armor Aluminium for durability. Here is comparison with Fold 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is water-resistant, but not fully waterproof. It carries an IP48 rating, which means it can handle being submerged in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Its dust resistance is limited to larger particles, not fine dust like you'd get with an IP68 rating. Samsung is reportedly working on full-screen fingerprint sensors for future foldables, which would allow scanning your finger anywhere on the display. But for now, the side-mounted scanner is the most reliable and space-efficient solution for security, convenience, and practicality. So there you have it, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. A foldable that's not just a phone, but a statement. Overall, Fold 7 is an amazing device. It's also my ultimate travel companion. Ready to unfold your next adventure?